Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I make content on all different things. My cat is literally right here. Including horticulture, hair, bags, and my life. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. But on today's video, I am doing sort of a redemption kind of unboxing situation featuring the package that's in here. So if you're interested in seeing this unboxing of my redemption dream plant, then keep on watching. But before I get into this video, don't forget to enter my giveaway to win this beautiful philodendron. Like I said in all the past videos, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and follow my 2 social medias. And under the video of the giveaway, just tag your Instagram handle so I know to check to see if you're following me or not. So yeah guys, let's get into the unboxing of this. So what I'm just gonna do is use one of these nail clippers. I did my best to like remove my address, but this box is a little disrespectful. Alright, so like I always do, I'm just gonna give you a little backstory. This is a Facebook marketplace purchase, and this package came from North Carolina, and again it was a redemption I don't want to show you guys. It's a redemption plan because I can't believe, hopefully what I purchased is what is in this box. But without further ado, let's get to unboxing. Just fix this camera a little to the box. Can you see what this is? This is a little withering, but it's doing its thing. It's trying to survive. This is a Hoya Compacta, Carnosa, Variegata that is doing so bad. But damn, this shit is looking really bad. Oh my god, I feel like I can never have good luck with plants. But this is in a 7-inch pot, variegated Hoya Compacta Carnosa, and the seller did their best to just wrap this up. So there's like multiple, pretty much just like branches of this. And they said they added like a bonus plant, so I'm not too sure what plant this is, but I believe this was the bonus plant that was added. Again, this seems like some sort of Hoya, and a bug just came out of this box. But look at this one. Oh my god. So what I'm gonna do is just, oh, look at this one piece. Stop! Oh my cats just love chewing my plastics. So actually, before I even pop this, I'm gonna stick this in water for a few days because this is honestly struggling like really badly. And then I just have a box full of dead leaves, which sucks. I don't even know like what I'm gonna do to salvage this plant, if I should just dip it in like water and wait for it to plump up. But there's yellowing, which means overwatering. So what am I don't know what. Please give me advice. Please, just if you have, I don't know, if you have experience with Hoyas, give me some advice on what to do to help freaking save this shit. Because right now I'm not gonna be all happy and giddy and put up a front. No, I'm genuinely annoyed. I am genuinely annoyed. Honestly, fuck it. I give up on buying, honestly, just like plants online. This shit is so annoying. Excuse me. A box full of just like handfuls of variegated petals, a plant that's yellow, more yellow and dried and dying, more dry and falling off, more yellowing, more drying, more dying. A whole basically branch that's useless. Some yellowing. Huge branch. And this just fell off of it. More useless, useless, useless. Yeah, so I don't know. This unboxing went from super happy, super giddy, super excited, feeling like I'm gonna redeem myself, to feeling like yet another fucking stupid purchase, waste of money, just receiving garbage. Like, I feel like I'm just receiving garbage. I'm putting out my hard-earned money for people to just send me garbage. Like, if I wanted to buy trash, I would go outside. I live in New York. I can just go outside and just pick up trash because there's trash everywhere. I don't want to spend money on trash. I don't want to spend money for products that I'm not receiving. Like, this doesn't make sense. People, you need to, if you're gonna sell plants, seriously, if you're going to sell plants, get your shit together. Stop selling people garbage. Because you're like, not face-to-face, is not a physical store, doesn't mean you're allowed to sell people garbage. This is ridiculous. You can't take people's hard-earned money, you know, and sell them things that they want, knowing that you're gonna send them fucking crap, like shit that's dying. What am I supposed to do with a dying plant? Revive it? My job is not to revive a dying plant. I'm not rescuing a plant. I'm trying to purchase a good plant. If I wanted to buy a rescue plant, I would go to Lowe's and buy a plant for $1, or a plant that's on sale, knowing that it's dying and acknowledging that, yes, this is a plant that I'm going to have to put a lot of effort into taking care of to revive it. But if I'm spending 70, 80, whatever amount of money, you know, on a freaking plant, I'm not expecting it to be pruning to receive a box full of petals that have fallen off, that are like, and whatever's still left is struggling to survive. This is such a disappointment. I am so annoyed with the plant community. And you know what? I'm making this a broad statement because, like, I've received good plants, but lately I've just been receiving garbage plants. And maybe it's the season, but it has nothing to do with the season. Your plant, if you own a plant and you're selling a plant, your plant should be in good condition. And if your plant is not in good condition, then you need to let the people that are buying the things that you need to let them know that your plants are not in good condition. So this video went from unboxing to a rant to me just being flat out annoyed, pissed about everything, because this is not okay. Lola, tell them this is not okay. Look, this is not okay, people. Like, you cannot sell us like. But yeah, anyways guys, I guess thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Share it if you, I don't know, if you want. I can't force anyone to share these videos. And subscribe. Like, please subscribe, because the only reason I'm spending my money is to share with my plant community, and now, like, I'm saying like so much, I can't even speak proper sentences anymore. Alright, so I'm just gonna remove all of these from plastic and the paper. I think the seller maybe wasn't too knowledgeable on the fact that actually, but the roots don't look too bad. But anyways, I'll see you on the next one.